Like, I'm actually an idiot. Because every time I think about it, I just realize how unhealthy it is. And how stupid of me it is, because I slept by about 4:30 and woke up 10-15 minutes ago. That is a tiny car. 10-15 minutes ago, and that's all besides the about 10-12 alarm clocks that I've got. And yeah, like, this is coming from someone who loves sleep. Like, I sleep long hours. I don't actually know what's going on. What is this doing to me? Like, to be fair, I did go to bed doing a bit of college work. So I was sorting out the summer task for media studies that I'm going to be taking on next year. So it wasn't too bad, but bloody hell, I feel like I've got some brain issues right now. Like, what actually is going on through my head when I do these things, I do not know. But I do need prayer, that's what I do. But, oh gosh. Today's crazy. I'm not sure how I'm gonna be able to power through the day, but yeah, I'm gonna have to. I actually feel like I'm running on 3% battery. Like, holding the camera up right now, I feel like my arms are just gonna snap off onto the floor. Plus, I think I'm gonna lose my job because I'm already late and it says the next bus is in 27 minutes. Like, screw you, first bus. And whatever other buses go past, Wessex or whatever it's called, I can't talk. But right now, I could barely stitch words together. So I would see you guys at the other side of work. Yo guys, it's about 7 o'clock now. I literally got back from work ages ago, but I just couldn't be asked. Like, I was just dead. I just watched YouTube and for a long time after getting back. So I just called up my mate Danny, zoomed in. I just called up my mate Danny to see if they were up for playing basketball. Remember the first video? That's what I started on. What a shame, I'm back to that sport again. Yeah, it's okay, I just haven't practiced in quite a while, so this is gonna be interesting. I'm probably gonna get annihilated again. I should probably stop bouncing this. Probably gonna get annihilated again, but oh well, I haven't seen them in ages. Well, ages. By ages, I mean about 3 weeks. Not too long, but it's pretty long. Anyways, catch you in a bit. Check yourself. I literally just got down here, and Danny's not here. Hope it's not going to be one of those embarrassing situations where someone doesn't turn up. Oh well, for fuck's sake. Oh well. I'll probably get me a bit of exercise and shed a bit of weight while I'm waiting. Oh. Another miss. Let's try this. I was just about to celebrate, but realized how much of a fuck up that was. Oh my days. Speaking of sports, I heard today that Usain Bolt lost his race. Like, well, he didn't lose, but he didn't take first. He didn't get the gold medal. Like, what the heck? Funny story. When I read about him running this race in the newspapers, something just told me he was going to lose it. I was like, for fuck's sake, he should just cancel on it. He's going to lose the race. And yes, he ended up losing the race. So it's one of those things. I mean, right now, I'm rocking alone in an empty basketball court, talking to a camera, and some dudes just looking at me like in the most dodgy way. So I'm probably going to put it away, and y'all get to watch me mess up my life in basketball. Yeah, more reason to contemplate life. Well, I think that's enough for one day. We out. Bounce. Good.